Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can post a video under like your tweets. It will still credit the original owner of the video, so don't worry about that. You're going to select the kind of video that you want to post. You're going to select the share button here and you're going to select post video. Then you're just going to select post. I'm just going to see the tweet here, and as you can see, I posted this video. I'll just delete this real quick. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.